Until today, there were a handful of electric tugboats worldwide. Today, there are 2 more. But SAAM Towage new electric tugs are more than tugboats. They are symbols of industry propelling the future. Industry must propel the future. They show we are aligned with those deeply connected to the environment that connects us all. Those who want a strong triple bottom line. And those helping to steer public policy, opening doors to a new era, powered by 98% of clean energy, strong enough to pull 70 tons and cutting down thousands of tons of CO2 emissions a year. And what's truly impressive is how this dream became reality. It's about partnership, unity, and a shared vision, from First Nations to government to industry partners to every one of us at SAAM.